Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video is very important for all Dogecoin holders, because in this video I'm discuss the very big mistake of Dogecoin holders. Please keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. So friends, first of all, if you look the latest price, the current price of the Dogecoin in the market, so 0.335578 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes over in the Dogecoin, so you can see here the last 1 hour pricing is going negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is going negative. The whole changes occurs in the Dogecoin has gone wrong. Oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this kind of changes occur in the Dogecoin. Unbelievable change occur in the Dogecoin, my friends. A very bad dumps occur at this time in the Dogecoin. The price is very badly dumps now. But my friends, that is why I make this video for all of my subscribers, for all my viewers, those people who's holding Dogecoin, that please, my friends, don't decide to sell, my friends. You can see here that very badly fast occur the price of Dogecoin. The price of the Dogecoin is day by day, hour by hour is going down. So that is why I recommend for everyone, my personal suggestion is that it is time to hold, not to sell, my friends. If you decide to sell or hold, so if you decide to sell at this time, so as you can see here, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 week pricing is negative. So absolutely, if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, because the last 1 week pricing is negative. And my friends, on the other side, if you decide to hold, so maybe, my friends, in the future they will take a huge jump, so that will give you good amount of profit. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell. You can see here from the last half month, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Dogecoin. The previous last 1 month price of the Dogecoin is going very badly fast down. And now, as you know, it is the end of month, so at this time they have a lot of chances to the price fast down. So that is why I recommend for everyone to don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you are in the loss, and if you decide to hold, so you are in the profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.